Touchdown! Touchdown! Yay! I get ya. Okay, go long. Go long. Brayden. Woo! Oh, man. Oh, that's harsh. Hey, babe. Come here. Be careful in Grandma's flowers. Here. Shoo! You go get it? You could go get it? Come on. Go get it. Here. I go throw it to you. Okay? Throw it to Mom. Throw it to Mama. This way. Oh, good throw. Throw it again. No, we're going to stay out of there. No. Come on. I know you like those wood chips. Because Grandma wants you to not play in the wood chips. That's why you want to play in the wood chips. Babe, we got a ball right there. Let's play with the ball. It's more fun. Let me see. No. No? Gosh. Okay. Well, I'll see you later. Where are you going? Brayden, looky. Babe. Baby. Woo! It's getting away from me. I come get you. I come get you. I come get you. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. You look pretty scary in your skeleton costume. Did I make a touchdown? No. Here, let me try. Field goal. That's what I need. Here. Touchdown. Yeah. Bye, baby. Can you say bye-bye? They go bye-bye? Brayden? Puppy. Can you say bye-bye? Woof, woof. That's a puppy. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah.